Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a shipping profile in your Shopify. Well, this is really easy. In the bottom left side corner, you will see the settings gear icon. Go and click on it. Now here on the left side, you have to go and click on shipping and delivery. Now here, this is my profile. So profile is something you can create as many profile you want, right? So I will just go and click on new profile here, and this profile could be something, you know I will just write here paid delivery, right? And I will add a product here. So you can always add a product, you can always add or deselect the variations of that product. So this applies only to large. You can do with your own product. And once I am done here, this is a shipping origin. So here, this is my shop location, this which is in the United States, and here all the products get delivered from United States, right? So I will just create a zone. So the first zone I will just write here, which applies to Asia. So I will just write here Asia zone. I will just give the name, and here I can select the Asia, right? You can select a specific country from here. For example, I'm just looking for India, and I can just select for India, right? By the way, it's all come under Asia zone, right? That's why it didn't came here. So here, if for example, I hope you got the point. You can select for any of the country, you can add it from here. Now click on done. Now here, if you just go down, you will see this option of add rate. So for example, that this delivery is paid delivery, it's not free because it is outside from United States. So I'll just write here it applies to $10, right? And let me just erase this up, $10, and it will look like this: express international 1 to 5 businesses, 10 delivery, $10 per delivery, right? Now here, if you want to change something, for example, it's economy international, you can select. Or by the way, if you have your own rates, then you can always add up in the custom. So this is a flat rate and this is a flight rate. For example, if you just choose a use carrier or app to calculate apps, so here you can just add this up, and this is a really messy thing. So by the way, if you use any third party from so you can choose this. For example, I use UPS, which is discounted rate from Shopify. So I will just select this, and I can select whichever UPS service I apply or I use, and I can just add the flat amount and each and everything, right? So this is how you can do it. So let me add a rate here, and it will be around $10, right? And everything is done. And once everything is done, click on done. Same way, you can create as many zone as you want, and once everything is done, click on save. Now once you save, you will see that we have two profiles. This is a normal delivery for the domestic, which get delivered inside United States, and this is just we made, which is paid delivery, and this applies to Asia zone, right? All the products which goes to my Asian countries, right? So this is how you can set up this. If I just go below down, you will see expected delivery dates, right? For example, you can promise your customers that you will receive this product inside under 3 to 5 days, or under 7 days, under 14 days, depending upon wherever your shop is location or the delivery platform or services you are using. This is local delivery. If you have a customer which is very nearby to your location, you can always deliver by yourself. You can just go and click on setup. Now here you can see United States. By the way, I do doesn't offer delivery, but I go and I can change it, right? So this location offer local delivery, I just need to tick mark this, and here I have to add the zip code, and here I can also create a zone, right? By the way, there are third-party application which just get integrated into Shopify. You can use it, but this is enough for me. And once you are done, you can just automatically, it will get saved, and you can save it from the top right. Right now here, I will just discard this, and I will just go back. Right now, if you just go down here, you will see pick up in store. I hope you got the point. Your customer can come in your store and they can pick up the products. And this is a delivery customization. So customization control how delivery options appear to buyer at checkout. So just go and click on this. For this, you need to install Shopify App Store. So basically, there are these third-party applications which makes your checkout look real beautiful, and some of them are paid, some of them are free. You can go and choose it up, right? And here, this is a sample box. You can just add how your delivery packages look like. Same way, I already explained Shopify shipping. This is you will get a discount if you use any one of these process or any one of these company's services here. Now this is it, and I hope you found this video very useful. And this is packaging slip template. You can just always customize or how this look. By the way, it's already look really good, and if you know how to code HTML, you can just always change it from here, right? And if you want to view that how your template look like, click on preview template. It will redirect to a new page here, and this is the PDF size which will go to the customer, and this is how it's look. I hope you understood each and everything. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.